So one of the types of database form elements that you can add in inside of Notion is a checkbox. Let's say I want to collect respondent details on whether they will join the event or not. So in that case, I'm just going to go around over here, click on the plus button, and here you can see that checkbox is an option right here. So I'm just going to go around and say, will you participate in the event right here? Let's say, for example, then you can simply go around and add in yes right here in the checkbox. So this is what you have right here. If I were to go around onto preview just like this, then you can see the checkbox here just like this. You can see that you can hover over and click right here, and then that is what you have right there. So it says, will you participate in the event? So you can go ahead and press yes or uncheck it, which by default means no right here, and then you can simply go ahead and submit it right here. And this is how the checkbox is actually recorded over here. So that is how you can utilize the database form checkbox inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.